Estate planning online tools pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume estate planning has to be complicated and expensive. The surprising truth is that online tools make creating wills, trusts, and other documents simple, affordable, and legally valid. Pricing varies by complexity. Basic tools for wills and powers of attorney typically cost, while full-service packages including living trusts, guardianship, and healthcare directives range from. Many platforms offer subscription options for ongoing updates, usually per month. For example, a standard platform can guide you through creating a will in under an hour, providing step-by-step instructions, templates, and tips to avoid common mistakes. Advanced platforms allow for living trusts, digital asset management, and secure storage, keeping your estate plan current and accessible. Most people get this wrong by comparing only upfront costs. The real value comes from convenience, legal compliance, and the ability to make updates as life changes. Online tools often save hundreds compared to traditional legal services, while providing the same peace of mind. In conclusion, estate planning online tools are an affordable, practical way to protect your family and assets. By understanding pricing tiers and selecting the right features, you can create a comprehensive, legally sound estate plan without breaking the bank.